Here are some amazing facts about mandrill. General overview. Mandrills are the largest species of monkeys. They belong to the family Cercopithecidae, commonly known as Old World monkeys. Mandrills are native to the tropical rainforests of West Central Africa. Their scientific name is Mandrillus sphinx. They are closely related to baboons and are sometimes mistaken for them. Male mandrills have incredibly colorful facial features, especially their blue and red skin. These colors become more intense when the mandrill is excited. Females are smaller and less brightly colored than males. Mandrills can live up to 31 years in captivity, but their lifespan in the wild is shorter. Mandrills have sharp canine teeth that can grow up to 2.5 inches long. Social and behavioral facts. Mandrills live in large social groups, sometimes up to 800 individuals, called hordes. Hordes are led by a dominant alpha male. Female mandrills generally stay in the same group for life. Males leave their group upon reaching sexual maturity and live solitary lives except during mating seasons. Communication among mandrills involves a range of facial expressions, gestures, and vocalizations. One of the common sounds mandrills make is a grunt. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. Mandrills display grooming behavior, which helps strengthen social bonds. A submissive mandrill will bare its teeth in a grin to show respect to a dominant individual. Yawning in mandrills often displays their large canines, a threat signal to intimidate rivals. Physical characteristics. Adult males can weigh between 25 to 40 kilograms, 55 to 88 pounds. Females are considerably smaller, weighing about 11 to 14 kilograms, 24 to 31 pounds. Mandrills have scent glands on their chest and rump for marking territory. Their tails are short and stubby, unlike many other monkeys. They have strong limbs for moving through the forest. Mandrills' distinctive faces are covered in blue ridges with a bright red nose. They also have colorful rear ends, with shades of blue and purple. The brighter the male's colors, the more dominant he is. Mandrills walk on all fours using a quadrupedal gait. Their fingers are dexterous, allowing them to pick small food items like seeds. Diet and feeding habits. Mandrills are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet includes fruits, seeds, roots, leaves, and small animals like insects and frogs. They have large cheek pouches, which they use to store food for eating later. They prefer to feed on the ground but also forage in trees. In times of scarcity, mandrills may raid crops from human farms. They have a strong preference for ripe fruits and will travel long distances to find them. Mandrills have been observed using their hands to crack open nuts and other hard foods. They play a vital role in seed dispersal, helping plant new trees in the forest. Mandrills use their powerful canines to break through tough exoskeletons of insects. Their diet also includes bird eggs and small vertebrates, making them opportunistic predators. Habitat and range. Mandrills are found in Gabon, Cameroon, and Congo, and parts of Equatorial Guinea. They thrive in rainforests, preferring dense, humid areas. They can also live in gallery forests along rivers and in secondary forests. Mandrills are often found near water sources, as they need regular access to water. They rarely venture into open areas, preferring the safety of the forest cover. Their range is shrinking due to deforestation and habitat fragmentation. Mandrills are also vulnerable to poaching for bushmeat. Reproduction and life cycle. Mating season typically occurs during the wet season when food is more abundant. Females give birth to a single infant after a gestation period of around 6 months. Mandrill infants are born with black fur and will only develop their adult colors as they mature. Newborn mandrills are cared for primarily by their mothers, although other females may help. The dominant male has access to the majority of females for mating. Infants are weaned at about 1 year old but may stay close to their mothers for longer. Sexual maturity for males is reached at around 9 years. Females reach sexual maturity earlier, at around 4 years. Mandrill groups have a strict hierarchy, and dominance can influence reproductive success.